Hello everyone, Mark here in the LMC garage, and today we're pulling off this seat cover and installing one of our Plaid reupholster kits. We started by getting the old cover off. First, we're taking off all these clips and hog rings. We're also going to unbolt the back from the bottom so that we can really get in there and work with each one individually. Take your time with these hog rings. They can be a bit tedious, but once they're out, the cover and foam peel back fairly easily. A little tip here, twisting the rings off with pliers is much easier than trying to cut each individual one and pulling the pieces out. If your foam's still solid, great. If not, check out our foam bench seat replacements at lmctruck.com or use the links in the description below. Alright, now we've got the bottom foam and frame ready. Here's how I like to do it. Drop the foam right on top and then start rolling the cover back over the corners. Do this carefully as not to pull the seams out of the corners. As a quick tip, set the cover out in the sun the day before you install. Warm vinyl stretches much easier and those wrinkles come right out. Now we're locking it down with the clips and hog rings. An extra set of hands helps a lot here, especially around the sides and the corners. Now onto the backrest. Same drill. Cover inside out, foam and frame on top, roll it over, and start ringing it on. Again, grab a buddy to help make this part easier. Once both halves are wrapped, time to bring it all together. Line up the back and the bottom and bolt them back into a single piece. Flip the whole thing over and ring down the corner flaps. Smooth out those corners so everything lines up where the frame meets. Now we'll throw the original brackets back on and it's ready to be put in the cab. And after just a few bolts, it's in. If black isn't your style, we've got a few other options available. Check out the full lineup at lmctruck.com. This Plaid bench gives the truck a fresh look without losing that classic feel. It's clean, it's comfortable, and stands out just enough. And as always, thanks for hanging out with us in the LMC Truck Garage. See you next time.